HobbyBabyTV!
Yay!
Hi, Hobby Kids. We're gonna learn the colors with Hulk. What do you say, Hulk?
Hulk smash!
With Batman. Red, red, I am red.
Smash!
Hi, everyone. I'm Brown. Hey, is that Batman?
Smash!
Hi, everyone. I'm Orange. Do you want to know what rhymes with orange? Well,
Smash!
no. Smash does not rhyme with orange.
Smash! No, still doesn't rhyme.
I'm yellow. I'm kind of afraid that some big giant green monster's gonna
Smash!
Hi, everyone. I'm Green.
Oh, wait, Hulk green. Just kidding. Smash!
Whew, Hulk, your feet stink.
Smash more.
They still stink. White. I am white.
Smash white!
I am a little bit of gray. Oh, hi, Hulk.
What do you... No!
Gray smash!
Pink. I'm pink. 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 Hello, kitty.
Hello, smash!
Hello, I am purple. Yes, I am. I'm blue.
Why are you so sad, Blue?
Oh, things just aren't very good. You know, I guess things weren't so bad after all. Hi, I'm Tan. Hey, Tan, have you ever heard of a pile driver? Well, no, I've never heard of a... Hello, I'm Black. I'm Batman. Batman, why are you here? I'm here to protect you from Smash. No, never mind. Oh. Has anyone seen Hulk? He's not so tough.
Did someone ask for Hulk?
I gotta go. Ah, come back here.